Guys, Chris Ramirez coming at you with another review video, and the product today that I'll be doing a quick review on is a product called Clickbank University 2.0. Okay, so before I get into that content, would you do me a favor and go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel somewhere around here, and be sure to tick that bell icon for more videos to come. Okay, so let's get it, let's go. All right, so what is it? All right, what is Clickbank University 2.0? Okay, it's its own offer to help newcomers and the experienced to find more success with their platform as both an affiliate or as a vendor. Okay, who is Clickbank University 2.0 for? It is for one. It's for the newcomer that has not a clue on what it will take to successfully run their affiliate marketing business via the Clickbank platform. Okay, if you are experienced, if you are a experienced affiliate, Clickbank affiliate marketer, but not having the success you would like, then this program may be for you. So you can cover your bases on what you may not be implementing that is being provided in the course. This is what they'll be teaching you in the university when you attend class, if you do decide to invest. How much does it cost? The front end of Clickbank University 2.0 is $47 a month. It has 2 upsells and 2 downsells. Okay, up to you how far you would like to invest into your education with them. $47 a month is not bad, but for you guys that just don't have it to begin with, I got you on something if you stay all the way to the end of this video. Okay, will it work for you? Well, your results with any program like it depends on your work ethic and drive to make things like this course to work for you. Okay, this university to work for you. Always take action on any and all helpful information that Clickbank University 2.0 provides if you do so desire to invest and attend class in their university. Okay, so be focused, my friends. Be very, very focused. Now that you made it to the end of this video, I want to share something with you via that link in the description. Okay, so you can click that link in the description and go ahead and explain. Okay, I came across something that is completely free to start. It's not $47 a month like Clickbank University 2.0. And so put away your credit card, okay? To find out what I'm talking about, like I said, the link is in the description. So go ahead and click that link in the description, put your name and your email, then after that, fill out the form on the other side with your name, your first name, your last name, your email, your password, confirm password, submit, then log into your email, confirm your account, okay? Then after that, log in to what you signed up for and start watching the 5 steps in the video series, okay? And like I said, it's free to start. So go ahead and take massive action. And most of all, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a blessed day.